What's going on YouTube? So today have a cool video for y'all. Actually gonna be reviewing a new product that has hit the market, seen in a lot of new places, and it's made by Safely. This is a glass cleaner. So if you got dirty windows in your vehicle, car, truck, whatever, this product, we're gonna see if it actually works, and I'm gonna show you how to clean some windows. So one of the biggest problems is the inside of a windshield. Let's see if this stuff will actually clean it. So give me just a sec. Let me show you. Okay, so one of the biggest issues with having a vehicle is having this window film on the inside of your windshield. And a lot of times it's absolutely awful. So let's just say it just like that. It's absolutely awful. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray this stuff, spraying it directly onto the windshield. It's a glass cleaner. You don't wanna get it anyplace else. The direction spray product onto glass surfaces and wipe off with a dry paper towel or lint-free cloth. Using a microfiber towel, you can get it from any big box store, anywhere, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. And sprayed it. Now, just gonna wipe this stuff off. And the best way to actually wipe off the inside of a windshield, instead of you trying to grab like this, it's very, very awkward. What I like to do is get your towel, fold it like so, okay, fold it like so, and put it on top of the back side of your hand. So that way, ergonomically, it's easier to clean the inside of the windshield because you're not in an awkward physical position to do it. Now, I've been seeing this product for a little bit. It's been floating around. This actually bought from Marshall's for $4.99. And you can see some of this stuff that's on there. And I'm just gonna take that. It smells really good. It doesn't have any ammonia in it. So, just wiping this off. It's not hurting anything. Look at that. Is that amazing? Is that awesome? Brand new product. Brand new product. Great for automobiles. So let's read about this just a little bit more. Safely. It's called Arise. It has water, alcohol, denatured. It looks like it's denatured. Some other stuff. Fragrance. Keep out of reach of children. Contact with eyes. You're gonna want to not drink this stuff or get in the eyeballs. So it says it's good on windows, kitchen, and bathroom. Well, this right here, since it's safe for the environment and it doesn't have any ammonia in it, you know, safe on glass. So that's a product review of Safely glass cleaner. Try it out. It's pretty cheap. I think that they're just pushing this product out there. It looks like it's pretty good. Don't knock it till you try it. And as you can see, the results turned out pretty good. Definitely do some more research on there if you feel the need to before just spraying on everything. But as far as car windows, car glass, it looks like it turned out just fine. So that pretty much sums up that. And be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. It's been a how to clean glass, and also I guess a new product review, new product alert, Safely glass cleaner. So anyway, catch y'all in the next video, everybody. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.